The Neobiotech SLA kit, released in 2008, is the original sinus lateral approach kit designed to perform a safe lateral approach, even with minimal incisions. With only a small incision or a slight flap elevation, the SLA kit enables smooth opening of the lateral window. The LS-Reamer operates at 2000 RPM, allowing for fast and precise creation of the lateral window without causing any membrane damage. While the Reamer's design ensures safety even if it makes direct contact with the membrane, the drilling process forms a thin bone layer, providing additional protection during window creation. The sinus elevator, with its unique angle, allows for effortless membrane elevation when used sequentially. Notably, the lateral hole can be positioned near the crestal area, making it easier to elevate the membrane from the base. Once bone grafting is complete, the procedure can be finished with a simple suture. By enabling a lateral approach through a smaller surgical field, the SLA kit minimizes patient discomfort, including pain and swelling. This allows for a fast, reliable, and less invasive lateral approach, ensuring both safety and efficiency for sinus bone augmentation procedures.